Hello, today we are going to discuss a topic called confusion to conclusion. So, what is it? Just now, I have received a video in WhatsApp. First, we will see the video, then go for the discussion.
Preparation of abject COVID-19 IgG-IgM antibody rapid test kit. We require alcohol swab, one lancet, one cassette, assay buffer. Wipe the finger with the help of alcohol swab. Let it dry. With the help of lancet, prick the finger. Take one drop blood and dispense on sample well. Add 2 drops of assay solution. Within 3-4 seconds, it would start running and within 1 minute control band would appear. Now you can see single band at C and no bands at G and M indicates specimen is COVID-19 negative. Band at C and M or G or both indicates specimen is COVID-19 positive. Discard the cassette in biohazard bag. Thank you.
Yes, what's wrong in the video? Everything is right. It's called rapid test, lateral flow assay, a immunochromatographic test. Taking one drop of blood, put it in the device, you can get the band. There is a special band for IgM and there is a special band for IgG. If the test, what's wrong in it? Because if the test is used for the diagnosis of COVID-19, I'm the happiest person on the world because now we depend on RT-PCR. So it takes 6 to 7 hours and it's very laborious and also it is very expensive. See, if we take this test, it take maximum 100 to 150 rupees approximately or 200 rupees. But if we take RT-PCR, it's in some thousands, 3000 to 5000. So what's wrong in this test? This test is not for diagnosis. This is only for the purpose of sero surveillance because it's an antibody detection. It is not used for the diagnosis. RT-PCR is used for the diagnosis. For this evidence, we are going to see ICMR guidelines because after seeing this video, my clinician friends should not take the wrong message because if the ICMR advise this as for diagnosis, it's called point care of testing. You can diagnose the patient in your clinic itself. But as per the ICMR guidelines, what is the indication for using of this test? We're going to see in the next slides. The recently ICMR released the guideline newer additional strategies for COVID-19 testing dated 23/6/2020. In this, they added the point curve testing, both antigen detection and antibody detection with specific indications. I will highlight. See here, antibody detection IgG for COVID-19 only for surveillance and not for diagnosis. Clearly again they are saying it is strictly advised to IgG based ELISA or CLIA says only for conduct sero surveys, not for diagnosis. But this video they say it is for the diagnosis. It will mislead my clinicians. So what they will do, they will do antibody test. When the antibody is positive, immediately they will say you are having COVID-19. It may be past infection, it may be an exposure. Okay, so the test is correct to detect antibodies, but it is not for the diagnosis at present. It is only for sero survey as per the ICMR guidelines. I take this opportunity to discuss one more thing which is out of this scope, is indication for COVID-19 testing. The ICMR gave a clear-cut indications. Once the indications are present, you can prescribe the test for COVID-19, because many times we are receiving the SRF which indicates it is surgery package or it is before delivery ANC. I want to do LSCS. I don't want to take my life in risk, or I am going to do the surgery. Before that, I want to ensure based on the COVID, I will decide I am going to take the person for surgery or not. So this is the indication. The full page, it is revised one, version 5. This indication clearly says, I don't want to go in depth, just take 2 points to understand the indication. One is, whatever category the patient should have ILI or SARI. He may be a traveler, he may be a healthcare worker, or he may be a laboratory worker, whatever it may be, and or he may be a hospital patient, whoever it may be, he should have ILI or SARI. That's the first indication. Second, if the patient is asymptomatic, he should be a contact, primary contact or secondary contact or high risk contact. Only these two conditions you should take. And ICMR clear-cutly says no emergency procedures including deliveries as well as surgeries should be delayed for lack of result or should not be indicated. If you have the patient is having the symptoms, give the swab, do the procedure, consider everybody is COVID-19 and wear PPE. That's the take home message for my clinical friends. So now the time for verdict. The procedure is correct, kit may be okay, everything is okay, but the indication is wrong. You should not take the wrong message. Use this kit for diagnosis of COVID-19. So don't use this for diagnosis. Use this for sero surveillance assays. So thanks for watching this video. I think outside a lot of noises are there. That means it's early morning 5 o'clock. The birds are start humming. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe my YouTube channel. See you with another video. Thank you very much.